Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel and delete a Squarespace website. In this walkthrough, we'll move carefully so you know exactly what to expect and avoid accidental loss of content. Deleting a site is permanent, so if there's anything you might want later, like images, blog posts, or design settings, consider exporting or saving copies before you begin. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Squarespace account dashboard at account.squarespace.com. Sign in if you aren't already, and you'll land on a page that lists your sites as cards or tiles. Take a moment to identify the correct site you want to remove. Double-check the site's name, thumbnail, and any details that confirm you're targeting the right one. This brief pause helps prevent mistakes, especially if you manage multiple websites. On the sitees card, look for the three dots, often labeled as More Options. Clicking these dots opens a small menu with several actions related to that specific site. This menu is where Squarespace keeps important controls that aren't shown prominently on the card. Hover or tap carefully so you select the correct site before proceeding. From that Options menu, choose Delete. Selecting Delete initiates the process to permanently remove the website from your account. Deleting a website typically cancels the associated website subscription as part of the same action. However, services connected to your site, like custom domains registered through Squarespace, third-party domains, email services, or other add-ons, are managed separately. The delete action removes the site itself. It does not automatically end billing for unrelated products. If you use any of those services, plan to review them afterward so everything lines up the way you expect. A confirmation window will appear asking you to confirm the deletion. Carefully read the message so you understand the impact. In some cases, you may be prompted to acknowledge the permanent nature of deletion or to confirm the site you're removing. When you're certain, click Delete to finalize. This step cannot be undone, and the site will no longer be available to visitors or to you in the dashboard. After confirming, give the system a moment to process. You may receive a confirmation email about the change. If you had a custom domain pointing to the site, visitors might briefly see cached content until changes fully propagate. That's normal and should resolve soon. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your Squarespace account dashboard, opened the site's options, selected Delete, and confirmed the removal. Thanks for following along.